Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a close look at the Deco Gear 49-inch QD-OLED 240Hz curved ultra-wide gaming monitor, a display designed to combine premium gaming performance with an expansive workspace for productivity. Instead of using two separate monitors, this massive 49-inch display delivers a seamless 32:9 Dual QHD resolution of 5120 by 1440 pixels, giving you the equivalent screen space of two 27-inch QHD monitors without a bezel running down the middle. So, what do all these numbers actually mean in everyday use? Let's start with the panel itself. This monitor uses quantum-OLED technology, commonly known as QD-OLED. That means every pixel produces its own light, allowing true blacks, extremely high contrast, and vibrant colors without relying on a traditional backlight. The monitor is rated for HDR400 True Black, helping HDR-compatible games and movies display brighter highlights while maintaining deep shadow detail. It also supports over 1.07 billion colors, 10-bit color depth, and wide color gamuts, including approximately 131% sRGB, 112% DCI-P3, and Delta E below 2, making it suitable for both gaming and color-sensitive creative work. One of the biggest highlights is the 240 Hz refresh rate. Refresh rate tells you how many times the display updates every second. At 240 Hz, motion appears significantly smoother than traditional 60 Hz displays, particularly in fast-paced games where rapid camera movement and quick reactions matter. Along with that comes an ultra-fast 0.03 millisecond response time, helping reduce ghosting and motion blur during high-speed gameplay. Combined with adaptive sync, the monitor works to minimize screen tearing by synchronizing the display refresh rate with supported graphics cards. Another important feature is the 1800R curved screen. Rather than being completely flat, the display gently wraps around your field of view. On a screen this wide, the curve helps keep the edges closer to your eyes, making both gaming and multitasking feel more natural. Speaking of multitasking, this monitor includes several productivity-focused features. Built-in picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes allow multiple devices to be displayed simultaneously, while the integrated KVM switch lets one keyboard and mouse control more than one connected computer. That can be especially useful if you regularly switch between a gaming PC and a work laptop. Connectivity is equally versatile. You get two DisplayPort 1.4 connections, one HDMI 2.1 port, USB Type-C with DisplayPort Alt mode, and up to 90 watts of power delivery, multiple USB ports, Ethernet, and audio output. The 90-watt USB-C connection allows many compatible laptops to receive video, data, and charging through a single cable, helping simplify desk setups. Ergonomics haven't been overlooked either. The stand supports height adjustment of approximately 120 millimeters, tilt, swivel, and slight pivot adjustments. If you prefer using a monitor arm, the display is also compatible with 100 by 100 millimeter VESA mounting. For gamers who enjoy immersive genres like racing, flight simulators, open-world adventures, or simulation games, the ultra-wide 32:9 aspect ratio can provide a broader field of view in titles that support it. At the same time, productivity users benefit from having multiple full-size windows open without needing dual monitors. The monitor also includes integrated speakers and customizable RGB lighting on the rear, adding extra visual appeal to gaming setups while maintaining a clean cable arrangement thanks to its modern connectivity options. So, is this monitor really worth paying attention to? From a specification standpoint, it certainly stands out. A 49-inch Dual QHD QD-OLED panel, 240 Hz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, HDR400 True Black, 90W USB-C power delivery, adaptive sync, KVM functionality, and extensive connectivity combined to create a display aimed at users who want both gaming performance and a highly capable productivity workspace in a single monitor. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.